How to turn off or on view profiles privately on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on view profiles privately on Truecaller. First open Truecaller. Now click on your profile here and then click the settings icon in the top corner and then click privacy center, and here we'll find view profiles privately. You can turn it off or on just by one click, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.